So how do we build crypto for Bharat? It cannot be done easily. And especially when you think about it, crypto is not Bharat at all. Crypto is anonymized, decentralized at a global scale. So it's not even that it's RIL के पास गए और बोला shareholder register दे दो, तो बॉस हमने है ना चलो एटलीस्ट RIL के shareholder तो आ गए पकड़ में. अब insider or not can be figured out. There is no shareholder register for Bitcoin. So what do I do? So my thoughts when I was sort of thinking of tonight was, one is we have to regulate and sort of bind under the KYC framework the on ramps and the off ramps. What are the on ramps and off ramps? Everybody in this room knows, so I'm not going to go into detail, but that is the first framework, because INR bank account, we are fully KYC compliant. Let's assume that. Now there's no point getting into Benami and all that. That's pointless, because that can happen in any currency or any framework or any asset. So we have a fairly robust KYC system on the fiat banking side. If we replicate that system on the crypto exchange side, which is the on-ramp, off-ramp, we create one very big comfort level that, okay, boss, now whoever is doing a crypto trade, at least in INR, is having a PAN associated with it, or is having a verified address proof with it, or a photo identity with it. So that's one sort of step. The second step is what Srinath mentioned. Definitely we need an ombudsman, as we call it, or an investor grievance entity. And I love the idea of IFSC. Siddharth, if you want, I have a batchmate at IFSC on deputation from SEBI. I'll be happy to connect you to him. He'd send me, Hitanshu, I think I sent you also their entire primer. So they're doing everything from SPACs to everything. And he's looking for suggestions. So I'm sure he can.
IFSC fits the best, for doing
Great,
this.
I'm with you, because they're basically creating a financial SEZ.
And I'll tell you, the idea of IFSC came from Subhash Chandra Garg when we had gone to meet him in a couple of months ago, and the same thing. Even the SEBI guy said that हमारे पास बहुत काम है, but the top people in SEBI, they were actually shifted to IFSC. That was the thing.
Right. So that's perfect. Thirdly, it is that you have to classify it as an asset class and not get into the transactional nature of using it as a currency. Maybe we say, don't allow crypto as currency, use crypto only as investment classes. So LTCG, STCG, etc. will be applicable. And the exchange has to give you a April 1 to March 31 ledger, like your broker gives you for equity or bond or mutual fund or etc. So that's another sort of reporting framework we create. And lastly, which is important, because in India, always remember the 1% is what gets amplified. 99 to Ganga mein beh raha hai, wo chal raha hai saath. So 1% is the amplification, which is your terror funding or your malified use. You tell exchanges, like you have in rupees, in a fiat system, 50,000 hoega to report hoega, ya I don't know, 1 crore hoga to report hoga. There are certain frameworks, right? So certain levels get defined. You create the level over here also. So any transaction which exceeds X rupees with an exchange, both ends of the transaction get reported. If it's a crypto to crypto or a crypto to fiat, that exchange reports it on a real-time basis. It's all artificial intelligence, etc., etc. We all know all of the background technology which can be used to decrypt that, sort of report on that and identify which are malified or not. If it's a guy whose worth is 1 crore and he does a 5 lakh rupee transaction, you allow him. If it's a guy whose worth is 1 lakh and he does a 1 crore transaction, you call him tomorrow morning, Bhaiya ji, kahan se aaya paisa? So he has to explain. So if we do these sort of 4-5 steps, I feel we will be in a place where we can embrace crypto and essentially start to understand it and start to explain it to people as an investment class. Then, of course, my utopian dream is to have a Bitcoin standard. I may not get there. The world may not get there while I'm alive, maybe, but that we can park for a later day, right? We don't need to do everything today. So just like when we start meditation, निर्वाणा करना है, गौतम बुद्धा बनना है, but we know we'll not get there. But still meditation तो करते हैं ना रोज सुबह उठ के. So it's the same logic for me. That's it. That's my sort of pointers I had on the regulatory framework and how we can sort of begin to give crypto for Bharat.